Imagine being out in the wild, miles from help, with nothing but your gear to survive. What if a few smart gadgets could literally save your life? From portable stoves and water purifiers to solar chargers and tactical gear, these 10 survival tools are designed to keep you alive, safe, and powered up in any emergency. Stay tuned, because the next few minutes could change the way you survive in 2026 and beyond. The BioLite CampStove. 2+ isn't just a stove. It's a true survival essential when you're off the grid. Designed for adventurers who rely on smart gear, this compact wood-burning stove turns simple sticks and twigs into both heat and usable power. Thanks to its advanced combustion system, it creates a cleaner, almost smokeless flame, perfect for cooking meals without attracting unwanted attention. But what makes it stand out is its ability to generate electricity while you cook. With a built-in 3,200 mAh battery, you can store energy and charge your phone, GPS, or other devices using a USB port. The smart LED dashboard keeps you informed with real-time updates on fire strength and power output, while multiple fan speeds help maintain efficient burning. It even includes a flexible light to brighten your setup at night. Whether you're boiling water or staying connected, this stove delivers when it matters most. The Cozy Compact Toilet is one of those survival gadgets you don't think about until you really need it. Built for outdoor adventures and emergency situations, this portable toilet keeps hygiene simple no matter where you are. Its smart fold-flat design packs down to just 80 millimeters thick, making it incredibly easy to carry in your backpack. When it's time to use it, the panels quickly click together to form a strong, stable, and surprisingly comfortable setup, complete with built-in handles for easy movement. What makes it even better is the all-in-one kit. You get waste bags, absorbent granules, toilet paper, and even a side-mounted roll holder, so you're fully prepared in any situation. The durable carry case doubles as a base, keeping everything clean and off the ground. Whether you're deep in the wild or facing an emergency, this gadget adds a level of comfort and hygiene that can truly make a difference. The Tai Stove is the kind of survival gear you'll be glad to have when every ounce in your backpack matters. Built from ultralight titanium, it offers an incredible strength-to-weight ratio while staying highly resistant to heat and corrosion, making it perfect for harsh outdoor conditions. Its clever design features 5 precision components that fold completely flat, allowing it to pack down into an ultra-compact size that fits easily into any bag. What truly sets it apart is its fuel flexibility. You can use gas canisters, solid fuel tablets, alcohol burners, or even natural materials like twigs and branches, so you're never left without a way to cook. It also includes multiple cooking surfaces, like a grill and rack, giving you the freedom to boil, cook, or sear meals over an open flame. Available in Mini and Plus versions, it's a dependable, no-compromise cooking solution for both solo adventurers and group explorers. The tiny Helio 600Z is a compact yet incredibly powerful headlamp that can make a huge difference in survival situations or night adventures. Weighing just 60 grams, it's so light you'll barely notice it, yet it delivers up to 600 lumens of brightness with a beam that can reach up to 100 meters, easily lighting your path or workspace. It comes packed with 6 versatile lighting modes, including a focused spotlight for long-distance visibility, a wide floodlight for surrounding areas, a red light to protect your night vision, and even an SOS mode for emergencies. The 60-degree adjustable tilt lets you aim the light exactly where you need it, adding extra convenience in the dark. Powered by a USB-C rechargeable and removable battery, it can run up to 50 hours on low mode. With its IP67 waterproof rating, it's built to handle rain and rough conditions, making it a reliable companion when visibility matters most. The Campcast Ultra is a survival tool that gives you one major advantage most people overlook: mobility on water. Designed as a durable yet lightweight inflatable boat, it's perfect for fishing, exploring, or even crossing rivers when there's no other way around. Despite its portability, it offers impressive stability and buoyancy, even when fully loaded with gear. Built with a tough dual-layer construction, it performs reliably in calm waters, like lakes, rivers, and coastal areas. The best part is its packable design. You can deflate it, store it easily, and carry it along with your survival kit without hassle. When needed, it inflates quickly with no trailer or complex setup required, so you can launch it straight from your campsite. With enough space for gear and supplies, the Campcast Ultra becomes a critical lifeline, helping you navigate tough terrain and access places that would otherwise be unreachable. The Gerber Exomod is a smart, lightweight cutting system built for survivalists who need versatility without extra bulk. Instead of carrying one heavy tool, this modular setup lets you customize your loadout with different blades like drop-point knives, capers, and more, depending on your needs. Each tool features a skeletonized full-tang design, delivering impressive strength while keeping the weight incredibly low, ranging from just 1.8 to 2.6 ounces. That means you get durability without slowing yourself down. One of its best features is the snap-together sheath system, allowing you to carry a single blade or combine multiple tools into one compact setup. Whether you're cutting rope, preparing tinder, shaping wood, or handling game, it adapts to the situation. Built tough for real outdoor use, the Gerber Exomod gives you reliable cutting power in a compact, flexible system that's ready for anything. The Blaver 10-watt portable solar charger is a must-have when you're off the grid, and every bit of power counts. Designed for campers, hikers, and emergency situations, this compact device uses high-efficiency monocrystalline solar cells to convert sunlight into usable energy with up to 24% efficiency. Despite its small size, it delivers 10 watts of output, giving you a reliable way to charge essential devices like phones, tablets, or power banks. It features both USB and USB-C ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices at the same time without hassle. Its foldable, lightweight design makes it easy to carry or attach to your backpack, so it can generate power even while you're on the move. Built with durable Oxford cloth and rated IPX4 for splash resistance, it's ready to handle tough outdoor conditions. While it's not a full power station, it's a dependable backup that can truly make a difference in survival situations. The Lifesaver Liberty is one of those survival tools that can literally mean the difference between life and death. Designed as a compact all-in-one water purifier, it turns unsafe water from rivers, lakes, or even questionable taps into clean, drinkable water within seconds. Using advanced ultrafiltration technology, it removes 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, cysts, and even microplastics, giving you confidence in every sip. It also includes an activated carbon filter that reduces chemicals, heavy metals, and bad taste, so the water isn't just safe, it's actually drinkable. With a fast flow rate of up to 1.2 liters per minute, you won't be waiting around when you need hydration the most. The replaceable filter can purify up to 2,000 liters, making it reliable for long-term use. Built tough for real-world conditions, the Lifesaver Liberty is a must-have for any serious survival kit or outdoor adventure. The Off-Grid Tools. Log Splitter is a simple yet powerful survival gadget designed to make splitting firewood safer and easier when you're off the grid. Featuring a stationary steel blade mounted on a stable open base, it lets you place a log on top and split it by striking with a hammer or mallet, reducing the effort and risk compared to traditional axes. Its sharp, re-hardened steel blade delivers long-lasting performance, while the open design handles irregularly shaped logs often found in the wild. Lightweight and easy to assemble or disassemble, it's portable enough for campsites, remote cabins, or emergency setups. Built tough and practical, this splitter is perfect for campers, preppers, and survivalists who need reliable firewood without relying on power tools. The ZAG 8. Tactical gloves are essential for anyone facing tough outdoor or survival conditions, offering the perfect balance of protection, flexibility, and dexterity. Built from durable materials like reinforced nylon, leather, and synthetic fabrics, they resist abrasions and impacts while remaining comfortable for long-term wear. Impact-resistant knuckle guards and padded areas shield your hands from sudden blows or rough surfaces, while an ergonomic fit with adjustable wrist closures keeps the glove secure during intense activities. Textured, gripped palms provide excellent control for handling tools, climbing, or navigating devices, and many models feature touchscreen-compatible fingertips so you can stay connected without exposing your hands. Rugged, versatile, and thoughtfully designed, the ZAG 8 tactical gloves give survivalists, adventurers, and tactical operators the confidence to tackle any challenge safely.